Hello folks. Time for me to do one of my first unboxings, although it's not really much of a box, is it? I've just been down to the post office to collect this parcel that they couldn't deliver to me over the last couple of days. It's much more substantial than I thought, although I think there's lots of bits and pieces in here, so let's get on with this unboxing. Right, so inside here there should be lots and lots and lots of little Arduino type things that have come all the way from I think China in this case. I've ordered lots of different things. So it looks like we've got standard DC to DC XL6000 device. The advantage of the XL6000 devices is that they will step up voltage. So this is a voltage step up device. I've used these before. They're pretty good actually. They're reasonably efficient, as good as you can expect for such a device. And I think they only cost about £1 or something. So they're really quite good for that. What else have I got? I have a small grouping of these. These are just to assist me with other projects. This is a 5 volt or so down to 3 volt adapter. It's using an EMS 1117 3v3. So those are going to come in handy for a lot of the ongoing projects that I'm doing at the moment. Should be a small stack of each of these, to be honest. So I've got lots of different things going on at the moment, so I'm just stocking up on all these bits and bobs. What else have we got here? We have, this is just a simple little RGB LED. It's a WS2812. Just wanted to get one of these. It was only a few pence, so I thought I would just get one as a tester. Well, when I say one, I think I got like half a dozen or something. But there's a small group of them as well. Another thing I got, just again as more as a play thing than anything else, it's a little sensor board which is horribly soldered. But it's a little sensor board using just looks like a standard op amp. Can't quite make out the model code there. But basically, it's just a sensor board for water sensing. Absolutely nothing fancy. But I thought I'd get one of those as a little experiment, just a simple tester thing from Arduino, and they were so cheap I bought two. So again, these were only about 50 odd pence. It's an I2C SD card reader for Arduino work again. More voltage boosters, another I2C voltage boosters. Ordered a whole bunch of these cables. I'm always losing these cables, so I've got some male to males, some male to females. So there's the female, there's male, and there's male-female. So I think this whole bundle together, I think this costs something like £2. Like, can't go wrong. Voltage things, SD card readers. So the only thing that I did move off to the side without really showing you are these boards here. Now, I'm going to try to do more radio experimentation with the Arduino. For the moment, I've actually forgotten what this precise device is, so I'm just going to look it up. So, one moment. Okay, so we're back on this device here. So, just looked this one up. This is a module that's come again from AliExpress, all of these items. Come on, camera, there we go. So, this board is an NRF24L01. It's got a little amplifier apparently, and this is a 2.4 gigahertz wireless module, apparently license free, etc. So the board is absolutely tiny, the antenna is pretty small as well, and it uses an I2C interface, I believe. So this is going to be used for some wireless experimentation to see how these get on. I do see lots of people using these things, and just being a general sort of technology enthusiast to an extent, I do want to actually see how this operates. So that's the NRF. Oh, there's my alarm clock. So there's the NRF 2401. So I've got a couple of them. I got this entire haul of bits and pieces. The entire order here came to £8.29. So just as a quick summary on the parts that are here, we have the cables were £1.80 each. The little RGB boards were 41 pence. The SD card slots were 35 pence. And all the little adapters were 89 pence for the 3.3 adapters. So everything was very cheap. So I'm going to go and shut that alarm clock off now, because apparently it's time for me to get up to go to work. Yeah, I've already been to the post office to collect all these goodies. Thanks for watching.